Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can run DeepSeek, qwen, and other AI models offline and locally on your PC. If you ever find yourself in a situation where there's no internet, but you need to chat with an AI or get some information, then this video will be very helpful for you. So, if you want to run AI models like DeepSeek offline on your PC, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Type LM Studio and press the Enter key. Now open the first website from the search result. And here you can see that it says, download and run Llama, DeepSeek, qwen, and Fi on your computer. Now click on the Download LM Studio button below and download it. This app works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. After the download is complete, run the application. Now select whether this should be installed for only your user account or for all user accounts, and click on the Next button. Now select the installation path and click Install. After the installation, check the Run LM Studio option and click Finish. Here you will see that it says type a message and press the Enter key. However, it won't work yet because we first need to download an AI model. Click on Select Model to load, and here you can see that no model is installed yet. It will ask you to download Llama. If you wish, you can download it as well. To download any model, first click the Discover button. Here you will find many AI models. To download any model, first select it, and then you will see the download button along with its size, so you can know how large it is. You can also search here. For example, when I search for DeepSeek, you can see that many versions of DeepSeek have appeared. So, select the AI model you want to download and then click on the Download button. The model will start downloading, and the time it takes will depend on which model you are downloading and your internet speed. After the download is complete, a pop-up will appear indicating that the download has finished. Now click on Select Model to load again, and you will see the model you downloaded. Click on it to load the model. And now you can use this model without the internet. Now ask it any question. And you can see that it is currently thinking, so wait while it processes. If you find the font size too small, then click on the Appearance button. And here you can increase the font size. You can also change the view mode here. Here you will also find options for font weight, message style, and some other settings. You can see that it is still thinking. And you can see that after thinking, it gives us the answer. Here, you will find various buttons, such as options to delete the message, copy it, regenerate it, and a few other options. Here, you can also see your PC's RAM and CPU usage, and you will also find the app settings. This way, you can download multiple models and use them for free and offline anywhere. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah!